Now, this video is specially made for Audi Q7 owners, as in this video I have listed top 5 best Audi Q7 bike racks in the market. Plus, I have made this list with full of custom-fit bike racks after performing research, which is based on their price, quality, durability, brand reputation, and other features of bike racks. And for your convenience, I have given the link in the description so that you can quickly check out the racks. Furthermore, I have ranked them according to usability and compatibility with Audi Q7, so that you can choose them according to your requirement. Number 1. The iQram R bike rack is an exceptional choice for Audi Q7 owners seeking a reliable and robust solution for transporting their bicycles. This rack is designed with high-quality, durable materials, ensuring it withstands the rigors of travel. Its versatile, adjustable design accommodates various bike sizes and styles, making it perfect for family outings or solo adventures. The rack features a dual-arm mounting system that provides enhanced stability and security, preventing bikes from swaying or colliding during transit. Its foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use, and the quick-release hitch mechanism ensures effortless installation and removal. Additionally, the iQram R bike rack is equipped with padded arms to protect bike frames from scratches and damage. The rack's compatibility with the Audi Q7's hitch system ensures a seamless fit, providing a safe and secure transportation option for cycling enthusiasts. This combination of functionality, durability, and ease of use makes the iQram R bike rack an excellent investment for Audi Q7 owners. Number 2. The Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack is an ideal choice for Audi Q7 owners seeking a convenient and reliable solution for transporting bicycles. This rack features a patented design that fits securely on the back of your Audi Q7 without the need for a hitch, making it easy to install and remove. Its sturdy construction accommodates 2 bikes with individual tie-downs that keep them securely in place during transit. The rack's padded lower frame keeps bicycles away from the vehicle, preventing scratches and damage. Additionally, the compact foldable design allows for easy storage when not in use. Combining ease of use, secure mounting, and vehicle protection, the Allen Sports Deluxe 2-Bike Trunk Mount Rack is perfect for family outings and cycling adventures. Number 3. The KAC bike rack is an excellent choice for Audi Q7 owners, offering a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and ease of use. Designed with heavy-duty steel construction, it ensures long-lasting performance and stability during transit. This rack can accommodate up to 2 bikes, featuring adjustable padded arms that prevent scratches and secure the bikes firmly. Its tilt-away design allows easy access to the rear of the vehicle without needing to remove the bikes. The rack's quick-release hitch mechanism ensures effortless installation and removal, fitting seamlessly with the Audi Q7's hitch system. Ideal for both casual riders and cycling enthusiasts, the KAC bike rack enhances the convenience of transporting bikes on any adventure. Number 4. The Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick-release 2-bike carrier is an outstanding option for Audi Q7 owners looking for a secure and user-friendly bike transport solution. Designed with a quick-release locking hitch insert, this carrier ensures effortless installation and removal, providing a snug fit with the Q7's hitch system. The sturdy steel construction supports up to 2 bicycles, while the individual tie-down cradles and straps secure each bike, preventing movement and potential damage during transit. The tilt-away main mast design allows easy access to the rear of the vehicle without the need to unload the bikes. Additionally, the integrated locking mechanism offers enhanced security, protecting your bikes from theft. The rack's foldable arms make it convenient to store when not in use. Combining ease of use, security features, and robust construction, the Allen Sports Deluxe Locking Quick-Release 2-Bike Carrier is an excellent investment for Audi Q7 owners who love cycling adventures. Number 5. The Maxhall 70210N Hitch Mount Bike Rack is an exceptional choice for Audi Q7 owners needing a reliable and robust solution for transporting up to 4 bicycles. Constructed from high-quality steel, this rack ensures durability and stability, even on long journeys. Its versatile design features adjustable bike cradles with hook and loop straps, securely holding bikes of various sizes and styles. The rack's swing-down feature allows easy access to the rear of the vehicle without unloading the bikes, adding convenience for busy cyclists. Installation is straightforward thanks to the hitch mount system that fits perfectly with the Audi Q7's hitch receiver. Additionally, the rack includes a padded support arm to protect bike frames from scratches and damage. The Maxhall 70210 combines functionality, ease of use, and robust construction, making it an excellent investment for Audi Q7 owners who enjoy family cycling trips or group rides, ensuring all bikes are transported safely and securely. Thank you for watching. Guys, the buying link is given in the description below so that you can check them on the Amazon.com and choose them accordingly. So that it from this video, and I hope you like this video on Best Audi Q7 Bike Rack. And if this video is helpful to you, please give us like, comment, and subscribe.